beauties, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a review of the Dr. Zenovia vitamin C brightening toner. Now let me tell y'all something. You guys know that my last couple of videos have been about brightening, vitamin C, my whole regimen and all that, and this showed up like right on time. If you don't know, I love Dr. Zenovia's products so far for my acne. I've been using them and I just love their products. I think they're really great. I'm gonna jump right into this. We're not gonna waste no time. I already cleansed my face with the Teami Superfood Cleanser. I'm just using up what's left of it. And then also, if you guys didn't know, I am a Teami partner, so I will leave my link down below. Go ahead and jump into this, the Dr. Zenovia Vitamin C Brightening Toner. It tackles tone and texture while unclogging pores. Of course, you guys know Dr. Zenovia is cruelty-free, gluten-free, artificial color-free, no phthalates, no parabens, no sulfates, no petroleum oil, no glycol, all that good stuff. So this one is an antioxidant-rich toner designed to replenish, hydrate, and condition skin while evening tone. Clinical grade vitamin C and E brighten skin and calm redness, while micronutrient sea salt neutralize impurities to restore skin's radiance. And how you would use this is you would shake before using, pump toner onto a cotton ball, then swipe over clean face. Next, you will follow up with a serum and a moisturizer. I currently don't have any of Dr. Zenovia's serums. I would love to get my hands on one of their serums. So Dr. Zenovia is available in Sephora, so I may have to just swing on by Sephora and see what serums they have, so I can definitely like make a complete skincare regimen with Dr. Zenovia. But this is what their packaging looks like. I can really tell you one thing about the packaging. I love Dr. Zenovia's packaging. Like, it's sturdy, it's not plastic, it's not even, I don't think this is even glass, but it's really sturdy and I like that. And it just looks like elegant. I don't know how much this is off the head, but I will leave information here on the screen. And of course, it has a pump like any of their usual product. Let's go ahead and grab a cotton round. And they said you want to pump a few pumps onto the cotton round. Give it a good shake first. Pump a few pumps onto a cotton round, and then you want to apply it to face. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply it to face. It has a very light, fresh scent to it, which is not bad. You guys know how I am when it comes to scents, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face like I would any other toner. My cat is like sitting here staring at me like, girl. What? Why are one of your eyes blinking? Oh Lord, girl. What's that? One of her eyes are like, are you having a stroke or something? You good? So it felt really good going on. It actually felt like nothing. The consistency of this is, it just doesn't feel like anything. Like, it doesn't make your skin tingle or sting or anything like that. Like, it just feels really great going on. There's no residue left behind or anything. I see my lovely little scars from breakouts. But there's no like residue or anything left behind from this. So I actually like it. Of course, I have to use this a little bit more because I'm not too sure on how this would fully work with me, or continually using it if I would like it. But just to keep it in Dr. Zenovia like realm, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to follow up with my moisturizer and my eye cream really quickly, and then we're gonna come back and we're going to talk about this product in a whole. But I'm gonna use a Clear Complexion by Dr. Zenovia. This is one of my favorite moisturizers, you guys know. Oh my goodness, this stuff feels so good. It's very lightweight on the skin. Like, it's the perfect moisturizer if you have like acne prone skin. So I'm gonna put some of that down, and then I'm gonna go in with the Dr. Zenovia Retinol Recovery Eye Cream, and we're gonna apply that as well. Okay, so now my moisturizer and my eye cream are applied, so we're good to go. Okay, so now that we're back and we're all like, you know, moisturized and eye cream. So yeah, so off the back, first impression of the Dr. Zenovia Vitamin C Toner, I like it. It felt like nothing going onto the skin. Sometimes when you're using these vitamin C toners, they can sting a little bit, and there was no sting with this. This is like really gentle on the skin. I am definitely wanting to know long-term how this works for me, because toners are one of those things where you gotta kind of go a little bit longer, I feel, to see how they really work for you. Off the back, like sometimes you can't see the most results, especially when it comes to vitamin C based products, and you guys see me speak about that multiple times in videos or about vitamin C, is that it all takes time. It's all a process. Same thing what I expect with this, but I am so excited that I have my hands on another vitamin C product. I just can't wait to continue to use this and see the results of this product and see what it really does for my skin in a full like spectrum. But first initial use, I actually really do like it. I like that it doesn't sting when I put it on. I like that it's really lightweight, and it just adds to the brightening and all that of my skin. I'll leave all links, all information down below to the Dr. Zenovia product and all of my other Dr. Zenovia videos. You guys know I have talked about a lot of the products. I like a lot of the other products. I have a handful of products from Dr. Zenovia that I really do enjoy. If you ever need a brand that's like great to get your hands on, try Dr. Zenovia. Get your hands on them. You will not be disappointed, okay? But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video. Bye.